Project management in its basic form involves planning and completing a task. Technology-related tasks include ongoing operational activities and one-time projects. A project's impact on operations must be a key consideration when assessing development, acquisition, and maintenance activities. Detailed project plans, clearly defined expectations, experienced project managers, realistic budgets, and effective communication significantly enhance an organization's ability to manage projects successfully. Ineffectively managed projects often result in late deliveries, cost overruns, or poor quality applications. Inferior applications can result in underused, insecure, or unreliable systems. Retrofitting functional, security, or automated control features into applications is expensive, time-consuming, and often results in less effective features. Therefore, organizations must manage projects carefully to ensure they obtain products that meet organizational needs on time and within budget. Financial institutions use various methods to manage technology projects. The Systems Development Life Cycle, SDLC, is the primary project management methodology described in this booklet. The SDLC is used for illustrative purposes because it provides a systematic way to describe the numerous tasks associated with software development projects. Organizations may employ an SDLC model or alternative methodology when managing any project, including software development, or hardware, software, or service acquisition projects. Regardless of the method used, it should be tailored to match a project's characteristics and risks. Boards, or board-designated committees, should formally approve project methodologies, and management should approve and document significant deviations from approved procedures. Structured project management techniques, such as NSDLC, enhance management's control over projects by dividing complex tasks into manageable sections. Segmenting projects into logical control points, phases, allows managers to review project phases for successful completion before allocating resources to subsequent phases. The number of phases within a project's life cycle is based on the characteristics of a project and the employed project management methodology. A 5-step process may only include broadly defined phases such as prepare, acquire, test, implement, and maintain. Typical software development projects include initiation, planning, design, development, testing, implementation, and maintenance phases. Some organizations include the final, disposal phase in their project life cycles. The activities completed within each project phase are also based on the project type and project management methodology. All projects should follow well-structured plans that clearly define the requirements of each project phase. Planning activities are the most critical aspect of project management due to the high number of interrelated project tasks. Poor planning often contributes to projects failing to meet expectations. Therefore, examiners must carefully assess the adequacy of an organization's project planning activities. Examiners should focus their assessments on management's ability to develop and employ project plans that are appropriately tailored to match a project's characteristics and risks. The initiation phase is when a project request is submitted. Requests should justify the rationale for a project, present a business case, identify desired system features and, to the extent possible, define the overall project scope. The scope of a project includes ancillary items such as information requirements, network interfaces, and hardware components that support and interact with a requested product. Management should determine if the business case justifies the project scope by considering issues such as tangible and intangible benefits, estimated costs, projected return on investment, etc., and decide if the project is feasible. If management approves a request, the scope documentation serves as the basis for developing the project plan. Project plans refine the scope documentation by further identifying the specific activities and resources required to complete a project. Plans should address project work activities and project management activities. Work activity planning involves organizing project teams, scheduling tasks, allocating resources, etc. Project management planning involves establishing project and risk management procedures, documenting project objectives and assumptions, defining documentation and reporting standards, etc.